up, guys? Today I'm going to be playing Scary Baboon, and thanks to Sage Monkey for being my editor and my cameraman. So let's go hop in. Alright, now we are in Scary Baboon, and we are going to juke out some monsters today, are we, Sage?
Monkey.
Yeah. But first we gotta find them,
Oh,
so.
yeah.
Oh, found one! Nope. Okay, that's a scary. Oh, please don't die. Nah, juke! Nah, get juke! Get juke! Nah!
Okay.
What is juke?
That's the glitch. Oh, shoot.
What glitch?
Yeah, where the monster would just stay still if you joined the private.
Oh, okay. Well, that's good at least. Now, you probably want to fast forward this part until we find more monsters.
Where's the cones?
Oh, yeah.
Anyway, let's the goes.
Yep. How did you just...
Let's go to IKEA.
Yeah,
Why
IKEA.
we're going to IKEA.
Wait, but are there even monsters in there?
If
there's no monsters...
Camp on the shelves.
I want... The purpose of this video was to get killed by monsters and juke them out. I'm going to find more. Alright, well, guess I'm all by myself now. Oh, nah, oh, nah, oh, nah. I just saw it. Oh, gosh. Oh, no, my arm's stuck. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Okay, that was creepy. Okay, one sec. Okay, it's not working right now. Okay, let's just not. There.
13. What the Sigma?
I'm stuck. I'm trying to glitch. I know how. I know how to do it, but it won't work. Finally, already. Oh, let's go get killed by some more monsters for content, of course. What's in here? It's a brick wall. Okay. I will have to put a warning saying loud noises.
Are you dead?
I'll have to put a warning saying loud noises, jump scares.
Guys, you gotta shush and mute.
No, do not listen to Sage. He does not know what he's talking about right now.
That's all I need to know.
Let's go to the elevator. Let's go find the monsters below us. Bye-bye. Oh, there's one coming. Wait, I want to go back upwards now. Bye-bye. Oh, what the? Bro, yo. Nope, no. Sage. You left me here, Sage. Nope. Okay, sweet. I'm going back to the elevator. It's the only safe place I know right now.
What the Sigma?
Let's go tap the Jamie Curly's head. Oh. Hello. Ah. Oh no, my hand's stuck again. You'll know my hand disappeared. Oh wait, no, it didn't.
I'm about to make a world record.
No, you're not. Yeah, of dying. El Bozo! Where's Meat Man or whatever that dude's name is? Hello? Hello? Hello, Meat Man.
I'm sorry, what the Sigma just happened?
There's the queso! Hello, queso.
I am not queso!
Not you. Oh no, oh no. Oh god, that sounds so bad. My card information just got leaked.
Huh?
Nothing.
Really?
Oh,
It kicked me out of the game because I accidentally pressed the something, the random code
Oh no.
thing and I got supposed to.
Why is this French? This is not 4th of July.
Come on.
Alright.
Come on.
Yep.
Sigma.
Sigma real. Skibidi Slicers. Yo ho, freedom monkey.
Oh my.
I don't care if this copyrighted. I will be sued anyway. Let's go this way. No, Sage, this way.
Remember yesterday when I started saying, "Do you know the way?"
Oh my. You put it in, and you put it in your big scary video, and then you went to.
Yeah.
Yeah, go check him out.
Guys, we gotta celebrate the big scary Easter when it comes out.
Yes. Actually, no, don't. It's horrible. Sure. You go first. Green monkeys first. Oh yeah, blood and screaming. Alright, yeah. I'm going to put so many warnings in the title for this. click, roomy. Alrighty. Let's go get more jump scared. And try to more juke. Bye, Sage. Click, leave him here. Oh, dang, he's behind me. Now I just go on the ride. Okay, I thought I would go a lot faster. Sage, you coming? Okay, good. I ain't doing this stuff by myself.
Scary baboon is my thing, my god.
Then how come we haven't played it forever, Sage?
Well, because he was getting hacked, bro. And it was so glitched.
Yeah, it was. And now it's big scary. So, yay. Except not yay. Oh, I'm getting so dizzy just from the staircase. So there you are.
My brother's floating.
Hey, do not copy my video. Or my short, I guess, but.
No, this is your video. What are you talking about?
No, my short that I made out of it.
Yeah,
Ooh, creepy black stuff. I wonder how bad this could be.
My brother's floating
in the air. Whoa.
How did this happen?
Is the trees? I'm pretty sure the trees are new.
I'm gonna be Grace 13 with the all-time road.
Area 9. Huh. I actually probably haven't. I don't know. Oh, what the? This is new. Yeah, really. Wait, they didn't even put it on the wet floor. What the sugar? Alright, I don't know if I've just never seen this before, or if this is just straight up new. Oh, now we found a dead end.
No, this has been here. It's just the trees that are new.
Oh. Oh, I knew like this area was new. I was just talking about the trees. I don't remember them being here. That's all. Cause my brother's floating. And I just hit my chair. Okay, I keep seeing my chair. Shoot. There you go. That's better. Sage, where did you go? Please don't leave me. Oh, there you are. Let's go. I think it was, yeah. Alright. Like, I seriously only remember one monster. Or there's only been like one monster to jump scare us.
Monkey.
So, what?
Monkey.
Okay.
Monkey.
Just keep saying that you're banned from my channel.
Monkey.
Okay.
Monkey.
I'm not actually gonna ban him.
Jam and Curly.
Okay, that one deserves
Jam
not.
and Curly.
You run! No! I'm trapped! I'm good. Let's go.
You better get over here.
Up here. Let's go try to find the tracker.
You lured me into it.
And technically, you followed me, so I didn't ask you to follow me. So you just did. So technically, no, I didn't.
Yeah, but you ran me into a dead end.
Yeah, but you were just following me, so the tracker's no longer here. All right, this is good. What's this way? Actually, probably I haven't even.
This level's been here for a while.
Let's go down this way. Oh dang, they just lead to the same place.
I wonder if
Okay.
But just floating in the room.
What's the? Oh, just another dead end.
I forgot where the portable speakers were.
Yeah. There are portable speakers.
I remember I really liked them.
Okay. Where do you even go anymore, Sage? You know? Wait, is that an exit? No, I suppose. Oh, it's a cafeteria. Sweet. Just get a quick drink. Shoot, okay. Dabba-doo, dabba-doo. I'm a caveman.
You gotta go back.
Jamie Curly. Jamie Curly's the best.
You have to go.
Hello,
You have to go back.
Why though? We don't have to, Sage.
Are you a real man?
No. Or bro, I told you how many likes your video or your second scary baboon video gets. That's how old I am. You know this. So technically, I'm only like 1 year old right now. A full 1 year old. I can talk.
That out of the video.
Nah, bro, you good. Bro, totally just juked. Bro, just juked. No, I'm actually. Sage, where did you go? Sage, where are you?
I went on top of the tunnel.
Oh, okay.
I'm in the tunnel.
Nah. Shit, tripping. Nah. Oh, shoot. Little Timmy.
Green. Go! Get him!
Get choked! Yeah, get choked! Yeah, get choked! Oh, shoot me. Here. Bro, Nash! Bro should be dying! Nearly didn't. My defense, he wasn't even. Oh, God. Nah, get choked! Nah, get choked! Bro was on X Games mode. Bro was on X.
Bro actually thought
he would get me. Nah, get tripping. Okay.
Bro thought he's good at the game.
Let's just juke him. Nah, Jet. Bro's getting all mad that we're juking him. Nah, Jet tripping.
Tripping.
Nah, Jet. Bro, Jet tripping. Nah. Well, I'm gonna end it here, guys.
Cafeteria time.
What? Oh, I just said I'm gonna end it here. Like, subscribe, goodbye.